Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your BeReal public. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps. Just make sure that you stick with me till the end. So BeReal is an application that allows you to take pictures and share it with your friends. But this application also allows you to share your posts and pictures with people that are not your friends, but just rest of the users in this application and make your participation in this app more engaging and fun. So first of all, open this app and make sure that you are logged into your account. There on the home screen, you will see your post, and right above it on the top right corner, just a little below your profile icon, you will see three little dots. When you click there, you will be taken to a page like this. There it will show that the photo is not in discovery, which means that your photo is not public and can be seen only by your friends. Click on the arrow next to it. And there you will find the option to add my BeReal to discovery, which will then make your post public. Click there. And that's it. There you go. Now your post is public and can be seen by people on discovery, which means that it will be viewed by people who are not your friends but are simply the rest of the users on this application. Thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and follow for more.